Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of family vans. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Minivans? Really? But trust me, these aren't your grandma's grocery getters. We're talking about the top 11 most reliable family vans from 2017. Vehicles that effortlessly blend practicality, fuel efficiency, and enough cool features to make even the longest road trip a breeze. Carhelpout here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. We'll break down each one, examining their quirks, their features, and everything else that makes them special. Stick around until the end for our automotive motivational car quote of the day. Let's get started.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
First up, we have the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica redefines what a minivan can be. It has a 3.6-liter V6 engine with 287 horsepower. Features include stow-and-go seating and the Uconnect infotainment system. It's engaging to drive with a smooth ride. Seats up to 8 passengers and offers 140.5 cubic feet of cargo space. It earned a top Safety Pick Plus rating. Stylish, spacious, practical, and family-friendly. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. Next up, we have the 2017 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is synonymous with reliability, practicality, and family friendliness. Powering the Odyssey is a smooth 3.5-liter V6 engine, pumping out 248 horsepower. One standout feature is its Magic Slide second-row seats, which can be configured in various ways. The Odyssey also comes with a built-in vacuum cleaner, a lifesaver for families with young children. Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of advanced safety features, comes standard on all but the base LX trim. The Odyssey can comfortably seat up to 8 passengers and offers 158 cubic feet of cargo space. Overall, the 2017 Honda Odyssey is a reliable and practical choice for families.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Moving right along, we come to the 2017 Toyota Sienna, affectionately nicknamed the Swagger Wagon. It's the only minivan in its class that offers all-wheel drive. Under the hood, you'll find a potent 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 296 horsepower. Toyota's commitment to safety is evident with its comprehensive suite of Safety Sense technologies. The Sienna offers seating for up to 8 passengers and provides 150 cubic feet of cargo space. Toyota has ensured that the Sienna delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. The interior features high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and an intuitive infotainment system. Overall, the 2017 Toyota Sienna is stylish, spacious, practical, and packed with family-friendly features.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
For families seeking premium comfort and affordability, look no further than the 2017 Kia Sedona. This minivan offers luxury without the luxury price tag. Powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine with 276 horsepower. The Sedona's allure lies in its stylish, functional interior. Available lounge seating in the second row with footrests. Kia's UVO infotainment system is user-friendly. The 2017 Sedona earned a top Safety Pick Plus rating. The 2017 Kia Sedona is a compelling option for families.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
The 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, a minivan that needs no introduction. This vehicle is known for its practicality, affordability, and no-nonsense attitude. Powering the Grand Caravan is a tried-and-true 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering 283 horsepower. One standout feature is its stow-and-go seating, which allows you to fold the second and third row seats into the floor. The Grand Caravan offers a best-in-class cargo capacity of 140.3 cubic feet. While it may not be as flashy as some competitors, it's a solid and reliable minivan. Overall, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan is a practical and affordable option for budget-conscious families. It gets the job done without breaking the bank.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Next up, we have a hidden gem in the minivan world, the 2017 Nissan Quest. This minivan offers a smooth ride, quiet cabin, and impressive features. Under the hood, you'll find a refined 3.5-liter V6 engine generating 260 horsepower. The Quest's fold-flat seats make it incredibly easy to pack for trips. The cabin is both spacious and serene, prioritizing comfort and convenience. The Quest achieves 20 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway. Overall, the 2017 Nissan Quest is a well-rounded minivan that offers a compelling blend of comfort, convenience, and value. It's a solid choice for families who prioritize a smooth ride and a quiet cabin.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Meet the 2017 Ford Transit Connect wagon. Perfect for city-dwelling families. This compact van offers maneuverability and versatility, powered by a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter engine. Seating for 7 and flexible configurations, up to 104.8 cubic feet of cargo space. Ideal for urban families needing versatility and efficiency.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
The 2017 Mercedes-Benz Metris passenger van offers luxury in a family hauler, combining practicality with Mercedes-Benz refinement. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 208 horsepower, luxurious interior, and refined driving experience. High-quality materials, comfortable seats, and advanced technology. Standard advanced safety features, a compelling option for families seeking luxury. Next up, we have the 2017 Ram ProMaster City Wagon. Perfect for families who prioritize utility and efficiency. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 178 horsepower. Its real strength lies in its cargo hauling capabilities, offering up to 131.7 cubic feet of cargo space. Achieves 21 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. A compelling option for families needing space and efficiency.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
For those seeking a compact and efficient minivan, look no further than the 2017 Chevrolet City Express. Powering the City Express is a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 131 horsepower. The City Express achieves 24 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. It offers ample room for 4 passengers and their gear. The City Express offers up to 122.7 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats folded flat. Overall, the 2017 Chevrolet City Express is a compelling option for those seeking a compact and fuel-efficient minivan for urban environments. Its combination of maneuverable size, impressive fuel economy, and affordable price tag make it a standout in its class.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
And finally, we come to the 2017 GMC Savana passenger van, the ultimate people mover for large families or group travel. Powering it is a 4.3-liter V6 engine with 276 horsepower. It can accommodate up to 15 passengers comfortably. Offers up to 284.9 cubic feet of cargo space. Ideal for airport shuttles, church groups, or family vacations. From the innovative Chrysler Pacifica to the spacious GMC Savana, These vans prove that reliability and family-focused features are all within reach. Whether you're after luxury, practicality, or just a reliable ride for your next road trip, there's a 2017 minivan out there with your name on it. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.